This is nature video part 2. Nature video is still uploading right now, but I decided to really quickly make another video. It's just a video to review what we've learned. Another video with James, Julian, and their mom. There's my brother.
Bye guys, we'll see you at the pool.
Bye guys, see you at the pool. I'm gonna go to the pool. I wish I could make a pool video, but I can't. And my phone is not waterproof, so if it gets splashed, it's ruined.
Hey guys, back to another video. And
You can see it. Low battery. My camera's about to die, so just a review of my favorite, just to answer my favorite color. This is a short video, but it's nature video part 2. The answer is mint green. Just kidding. The answer is both. I forgot. No, it's both.
mint puka paint.
Yeah, it's mint green. I'm just kidding. Mint green. But that doesn't mean I still don't like that other color at all. It's my second favorite.
Hi, Drew. I'm putting
Hi.
on YouTube.
You see those guys? I'm putting them on
YouTube,
YouTube. Okay, so the answer is mint green.
I told Drew I'm putting it on YouTube.
You're on YouTube for my channel too.
Drew! I'm putting you on YouTube.
Me too.
You're on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Run. I'm gonna get caught on the top.
So it's all the time I have. Remember this feather I found? I decided to design it a little. Okay, that's all the time I have for today. Bye. I'm not making another video after this for nature. Bye bye.